Yo, what's up everybody? It's Your Name back with another video, and today we're diving deep into something that affects all of us, roads. But not just any roads, we're talking about the future of roads. We're talking next level tech that's gonna change how we commute, how we think about safety, and even how we build these things. From pedestrian crossings that can see you coming to roads literally made of plastic, things are about to get seriously interesting. So buckle up because we're about to hit the road to the future. Alright, let's kick things off with something that seems so simple, yet it's often a major pain point in our daily commutes: pedestrian crossings. These are the places where our paths intersect with the hustle and bustle of city life, and yet, they can be incredibly frustrating. We've all been there, waiting for what feels like an eternity for the light to change even when there's not a car in sight. It's like the system is designed to test our patience. But what if I told you that smart technology is changing all that? Imagine a world where the crosswalks are as smart as your phone, adapting to the flow of people and traffic in real time. We're talking about pedestrian crossings equipped with sensors and AI that can actually detect the presence of pedestrians. These aren't just any sensors, they're highly sophisticated, capable of distinguishing between a person and, say, a stray animal or a piece of trash. Think about it. No more awkwardly pushing the button multiple times, no more wondering if the light is actually going to change. The system knows you're there and adjusts accordingly. These systems are designed to be super responsive, adjusting the signal timing in real time to ensure that pedestrians can cross safely and efficiently. It's like having a personal traffic controller just for you. But it's not just about convenience for pedestrians, it's about creating a safer environment for everyone. These smart crossings are also designed with drivers in mind. They help in reducing the unpredictability that often comes with traditional pedestrian crossings. By optimizing traffic flow and reducing unnecessary waiting times, we're talking about a smoother, less stressful commute for everyone. Imagine driving through the city without the constant stop and go. And let's be real, who doesn't want a little less road rage in their life? A smoother commute means happier drivers and a more pleasant driving experience. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, but how reliable is this technology? Can we really trust it to work as intended every single time? And that's a fair question. It's natural to be skeptical about new technology, especially when it impacts our daily lives. But the tech behind these smart crossings has been rigorously tested and refined. We're talking about years of development and countless hours of testing to ensure reliability. We're talking about advanced sensors, computer vision algorithms, and real-time data analysis. These systems are designed to adapt and learn, making them more efficient over time. It's all about creating a system that's not just smart, but also incredibly reliable and adaptable to different traffic conditions. Whether it's rush hour or a quiet Sunday morning, the system adjusts to keep things running smoothly. Imagine a world where you approach a crosswalk and the system instantly recognizes your presence. No more waiting, no more guessing. The light changes seamlessly, giving you ample time to cross without feeling rushed or unsafe. It's a small change that makes a big difference. And for drivers, it's about approaching an intersection and knowing that the system is working to keep traffic flowing smoothly, minimizing delays and frustration. It's a win-win for everyone. This is the future of pedestrian crossings, people. A future where technology and human needs intersect seamlessly. It's about using technology to create a safer, more efficient, and honestly, just a more pleasant experience for everyone on the road. Whether you're walking, driving, or cycling, these smart crossings are designed to make your journey smoother and safer. Okay, let's talk bikes. We've all seen those dedicated bike lanes squeezed in next to traffic, sometimes barely wider than the bike itself. But what if I told you there's a whole other level to cycling infrastructure? Get ready for bicycle highways. We're talking about dedicated roads, sometimes stretching for miles, built exclusively for bikes. No cars, no trucks, no buses, just pure, uninterrupted cycling bliss. Imagine cruising down a smooth, spacious path surrounded by greenery, the wind in your hair, and not a single traffic light in sight. That's the promise of bicycle highways. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds cool and all, but is it really practical? And the answer is a resounding yes, especially when you consider the benefits. First off, we're talking about a massive boost for cycling infrastructure, encouraging more people to choose bikes as a sustainable and healthy mode of transportation. And with fewer cars on the road, we're talking reduced congestion, lower emissions, and a cleaner environment for everyone. But it goes beyond just the environmental impact. Bicycle highways can also be major economic drivers. Think about it, these routes can connect towns and cities, creating new opportunities for tourism, recreation, and even commuting. We're talking about a whole new way to experience a region, whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just looking for a leisurely weekend ride. And the best part? This isn't some futuristic fantasy. Bicycle highways are already being built and implemented in countries all over the world. From Denmark to the Netherlands to Germany, these countries are leading the way, showing us what's possible when we prioritize sustainable transportation and invest in cycling infrastructure. Imagine hopping on your bike and having a dedicated car-free route to get to work, to school, or even just to explore the countryside. That's the future that bicycle highways offer. A future where cycling is not just an afterthought, but a fully integrated and celebrated part of our transportation system. Picture this, a network of bike highways that not only make commuting easier but also promote a healthier lifestyle. These paths can become the arteries of a new, greener urban design, and it's not just about the daily commute. These highways can be a gateway to adventure, allowing people to explore new areas, visit local attractions, and enjoy the great outdoors. So, the next time you see a narrow bike lane squeezed between traffic, remember that a better, more expansive future is possible. One where cycling is safe, enjoyable, and a key part of our lives. Chapter 3. Plastic roads. They're real. Alright, let's talk about something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie. Roads made of plastic. Yes, you heard that right, plastic roads. I know what you're thinking. Plastic? Isn't that like the opposite of what we should be using for roads? It seems counterintuitive, doesn't it? But hear me out, because this is actually way more innovative than it sounds. It's a groundbreaking approach to solving multiple problems at once. We're not talking about paving roads with empty water bottles and grocery bags. No, it's much more sophisticated than that. We're talking about using recycled plastic waste, the stuff that often ends up in landfills or polluting our oceans, and transforming it into a durable and sustainable material for road construction. This is about turning waste into a valuable resource. It's like giving plastic waste a second life, turning a problem into a solution. Imagine the impact of repurposing millions of tons of plastic waste. Now you might be wondering, okay, but how do you actually turn plastic waste into a road? What's the magic behind this transformation? Well, it's a pretty fascinating process. It involves several stages of recycling and engineering. The plastic waste is first sorted, cleaned, and shredded into small pieces. This is the initial step to ensure the material is ready for further processing. Then, it's mixed with other materials like aggregates or asphalt to create a composite material that's strong, durable, and surprisingly long-lasting. This composite is what forms the foundation of plastic roads. But the real kicker here is the environmental impact. This innovation could revolutionize how we think about waste and construction. By using recycled plastic in road construction, we're talking about reducing the amount of plastic waste that ends up in landfills, which is a huge win for the environment. Reducing the need for virgin materials, which means less mining and extraction of natural resources, and lowering greenhouse gas emissions associated with traditional road construction. This is a significant step towards combating climate change. It's a win-win for the environment and for our infrastructure. And the best part, this isn't just a theoretical concept. Plastic roads are not just some experimental concept, they are a reality that is being put to the test. They're already being tested and implemented in various parts of the world, from India to the Netherlands to the United States. These countries are leading the way in this innovative technology. These pilot projects are showing promising results, demonstrating the viability and potential of this innovative technology. The data is encouraging and points to a sustainable future. Imagine a world where our roads are not only built to last, but also contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable future. This is the vision that plastic roads bring to life. That's the promise of plastic roads, a future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. It's a glimpse into a world where our infrastructure works in harmony with the environment. Chapter 4. More mind-blowing road tech. Alright, we've covered some seriously cool road tech so far, but we're just getting started. Get ready for a rapid-fire round of even more mind-blowing innovations that are set to revolutionize the future of roads. First up, we've got solar roads. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun to generate clean energy right from the surface of our roads. That's the idea behind solar roads, which are embedded with solar panels that can generate electricity to power homes, businesses, and even the electric vehicles driving on them. Next, we've got self-healing asphalt. Picture this. roads that can actually repair themselves, like some kind of futuristic self-healing skin. This technology uses special materials that can react to changes in temperature or pressure, automatically sealing up cracks and potholes before they even have a chance to form. And finally, we can't forget about connected vehicle infrastructure. We're talking about a network of sensors, cameras, and communication systems that allow vehicles to talk to each other and to the infrastructure around them. This technology has the potential to drastically improve road safety, reduce congestion, and optimize traffic flow like never before. From solar roads to self-healing asphalt to connected vehicle infrastructure, the future of roads is looking brighter, more efficient, and honestly just plain cooler than ever before. It's an exciting time to be hitting the road, and I can't wait to see what innovations the future holds. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the future of roads. From pedestrian crossings that can see you coming to roads literally made of plastic, these innovations are not just changing how we get around, they're changing how we think about our cities, our environment, and our future. It's clear that the road ahead is paved with some seriously cool tech, and I, for one, am excited to see where it takes us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in technology and innovation. See you next time.